Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a really simple version, beef Thai yellow curry. When I say simple, it's very few ingredients. We're just going with the Thai paste that you can buy in the stores. Just a nice quick method. I've had quite a few emails about this. Let's go and do it. Okay, so really simple amounts of ingredients for this one. So we've got sliced onions there and beef cut into nice thin strips. Chopped garlic, chopped ginger or sliced ginger, 1 can of coconut milk and our curry paste. Now these curry pastes are absolutely amazing. This is a yellow one. Of course you can get red and green and a few others as well. Lots of the brands are pretty good. Now if you want to find out about how to go in depth and actually make this, you can check the channel. We've done it before. And if you want to add galangal and different stuff, we've done that as well. We're going to keep this really simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients, touch of salt, a little bit of oil. Let's get moving. So I've got a pan here. I'm actually using a big frying pan or skillet so you can see what's happening a bit clearer, but any pot or wok will work. We've got some oil heating up in there. We're going to get in our beef. Like I said, this is cut into nice thin strips. Now this is a kind of stewing beef, so it's not super tender. It's not like a kind of sirloin steak or a kind of nice rump steak. So what we're going to do is we're going to fry this around for about 3 or 4 minutes, get a bit of colour on it. Then I'm just going to add some water to do the process, which you may have seen before in the videos, to kind of help tenderise the beef. So first step, 3 or 4 minutes, throw this around on a kind of fairly lively heat, then I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, this beef has changed colour. So we're going to go for that process now of kind of making it tender. So what I'm going to do is I've got like a mug of water here, in that goes. Just going to season this with a little bit of salt and some black pepper. So what we need to do now is high heat, bring this to the boil and then just keep it going. What we want it to do is steam out. But the water in with that meat is going to really help make that meat tender. And like I say, if you have a lovely cut of beef, like you've got a nice Wagyu or something like that, you're lucky enough to have that, you can just skip this whole process. But this is a little bit of a stewer, this one, so see you in 5 minutes. Okay, so as you can see in here, that water has evaporated. And that's really helped this beef along, really. So, unless you've got a really nice quality frying steak, do this little process. You're gonna have some lovely beef there. Okay, now we're gonna add chopped garlic, ginger, and onions, sliced onions. And remain on this high heat and throw this around in the pan. Stir frying it for about 3 or 4 minutes. We just want to get a little bit of colour on those onions. Okay, this is coming together really nicely. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get in our curry paste. You can see, like, I've just squeezed out, it was in a bag in there, so I've just squeezed out, I don't know, like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of it. Now what we need to do is just work this in. Again, we're staying on this high heat. Work this in, it'll break down a little bit. And then simply all we've got to do is get that coconut milk in. So let's just do this for a couple of minutes. Okay, I'm going to lower the heat now. And that's fantastic, that is really. And like I say, the red or the green also work really well, so simple. So 1 can, just like 400 ml coconut milk, in that goes. With the heat on low now, let's just go for about another 5 or 6 minutes. What will happen is it will thicken up and be absolutely delicious. We are pretty much done. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so that's thickened up. We've got a lovely colour to it now. Check that for salt, it's fine for me. If you want, which I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little bit of fresh coriander or cilantro at the end. Mix that in. Get that on some rice and it's absolutely wonderful. Super easy. Like I said, if you want to see more in-depth procedures of making the paste and cooking with the paste and other ingredients, raw ingredients, check out the channel. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We'll see you soon. Easy peasy Thai paste love.